Hi there. Have you ever found yourself in this position where a recipe calls for self-raising flour and all you've got is all-purpose flour or bread flour? I often find myself that is one of the things that I'd never have on hand is self-raising flour. So today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way and method on how to make your own self-raising flour at home. What you'll need for this recipe is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Should you want to have a larger batch, then you can either double it or quadruple the portions to give you a larger batch. Then just thoroughly mix all the ingredients together, and there you have it. Perfect self-raising flour made at home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much.